told. Working hard, we ain't having no. Bitch on the band, we know advance. Get my nigga.
Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, girl, I'm going to share with you two bags that have very quickly become my favorite bags. And I have been carrying these two bags all week. Like, I have literally been going back and forth between these two bags right here. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm talking about, then girl, keep on watching.
Girls like me, I like a magnet to a knife. Can like a lighter from the ocean.
All right, girl. So these are the two bags that I have been reaching for and just going between all week long. And they are both by Michael Kors. I absolutely love these bags. I think they are just so cute and perfect for everyday wear, especially for work, especially if you work in an office setting. I feel like these are just so cute and so classic, and they carry quite a few things. Now, I'm accustomed to carrying like a tote bag, but these two bags have actually really worked for me, and I love them. Okay, especially with my jean and boots outfits. These have been so cute, and I did wear two legging outfits, or jeans twice this week, and cute legging outfits that I wore my knee-high riding boots with, and it was just so cute. And yeah, I carried both of these bags, girl. I got this one just about a year ago. Yeah, between January 9th and 10th, or 9th or 10th of last year in Dallas, in the Michael Kors store, girl, and she was on a sale. I think it was 40% off. Now, the original retail price for this bag, and I still have the tag because, like I said, I've had it for so long. Yeah, it's still, I was considering if I wanted to keep it or not. So I didn't know if I wanted to post it in my closet sale or keep it, but it was $5.58. Then it was 40% off with an extra 10% off, making it 50% off. Girl, it was a super good sale, girl. The Dallas Mall, the Grapevine Mills Mall, Michael Kors, they always have really good sales. I'm itching to get back over there because I'm wanting this very style bag again, but in a different color. I really want it in like a Bordeaux or either a bright red color, because this bag style is just everything to me. And like I said, it carries quite a few of your day-to-day needs. I love it. Not as big as your everyday tote bag if you're a tote girly, but trust me, you'd really like the style and the capacity of this bag. I love that it has the hand straps as well as a long shoulder strap, so you can easily free up your hands and crossbody this bag. The same with the Mercer tote. Now, the Mercer, to me, they're almost the same size, but the Mercer is a little smaller. Now, I remember falling in love with this bag just about 2 years ago, and girl, when I started carrying this bag, I wanted it in every color. And with both of these bags, you can fit your iPads in them. And I have an iPad Pro, like the bigger one. It barely fits in this one, but it can definitely fit, especially if I don't have my Magic Keyboard case on it, then it's an even better fit. But these two bags are absolutely amazing. And just recently, when I was in, y'all already know, my favorite thrift store, Unclaimed Baggage, they had that beautiful Bordeaux color one, brand new with tags, in the Mercer. So I've still been thinking about that one since I saw it. So that's kind of why I've been back into my Michael Kors bags. Now, I do have this in a Saffiano leather in a cognac color, but they call that color like luggage. But that color is so beautiful. This bag itself is just beautiful. I love the pebbled leather on this, and this one has a pebbled leather as well, but it's just not as prominent as the Mercer. But I absolutely love these bags. If you're looking for sleek, sophisticated office black bags, girl, Michael Kors is definitely the go-to for those. And I call these like affordable luxury bags. So like I said, you can always catch these on a really good sale in store. So make sure you check out your Michael Kors store, girl, especially if you live in the Dallas area. Because, girl, these bags are absolutely amazing. I love them. So, yeah, let me show you exactly what I have in this one, because this one's still packed from my week. Because, like I said, I didn't vlog or anything this week. But, girl, these two bags have been in heavy rotation. Carried them all week to work. But let me show you the inside. Now, these two, the luggage color as well as the black Mercer, these have dedicated videos. I remember reviewing these some time ago on my channel. They still got some stuff in them, but I wanted to kind of show you what they look like on the inside. I'm gonna zip this one up because, girl, that one got trash in there. But that's kind of the gist of a woman's handbag, for real. Sometimes, whether we want to admit it or not, girl, our purses be full of trash, full of stuff that needs to be in the garbage. But this is what it looks like on the inside. I feel like it's a really spacious bag. I just love this bag. I really love the style and the shape on it. It's just so stylish. The Mercer is just one of those timeless bags by the brand. Okay, now let's get into the Hamilton. Girl, she's just, wait a minute. Let's get back into that lock. I love that lock on front. It's just beautiful. I love gold hardware. I'm a gold girl. But she is absolutely amazing. But the front of it is definitely kind of giving Birkin. It's kind of giving Birkin, though. What you think? She's definitely cute. Let me know down below, girl, if you're a Hamilton girl, a Michael Kors Hamilton girl. Well, this is what it looks like on the inside. You do have a zippered compartment on that back wall. Okay. Now, do I have anything in there right now? No. Just still the little pamphlet booklet. I have my agenda inside. So, yeah, it carries quite a bit. And my agenda is a thickie. She's very thick. And this is the A5 agenda. Then I also have my PM agenda inside, which I use this one as a wallet. Love, love, love this little one. Because not only is it like my wallet, but it's like a brain dump and notebook for me as well. I do keep cash and an extra key in here. So yeah, love this one. I got this from eBay luxury. So yeah, eBay does sell luxury goods, so you can shop eBay with confidence, authenticity guaranteed. So check out eBay for really nice price SLGs, especially if you don't have, access to unclaimed baggage, or you can't get, but you know what? Everybody has access to unclaimed baggage because they do have a website. But it's best to get there and go look in person too. It's very fun. So if you can do that, I would definitely encourage that. Make that a visit if you're in the Alabama area. So I have my cell phone in here. Another SLG. This is like my little coin purse. I'm trying to leave it kind of neatly packed because I might even carry this again to start my work week again. I don't go anywhere without antibacterial wipes. I got my lotion, girl, because we ain't got time to have little crusty hands, especially with this cold air and weather right now. I have my Beats, my Kim and Dre collaboration. I love that color. So pretty. I have a lip gloss. Which color is this? 768. I know it looks intense, but it is a really nice sheer wash of color on the lips. And these are just so nice and hydrating. This is a Chanel gloss. A big pen. Comb and brush combo. Like a little switchblade. My keys. I have an air tag on my keys. Girl, air tags are just like, girl, the best thing ever, because I can always find my keys when I sit them down outside of just dropping them back in my purse. I can just go to the app and click find my stuff, and it'll just ping my keys, and I can know instantly where my keys are. So I definitely recommend AirTags. My car key and a fragrance. So yeah, that's all that I have in here, like legit have in this bag. But it holds quite a bit. And I absolutely love this bag. So definitely check them out. Check out the website if you don't have a Michael Kors store near you. We used to have one here in Huntsville, Alabama. It closed down. It was at Bridge Street Mall. It didn't stay open very long for whatever reason, but I feel like people were patronizing it, but I guess they weren't going in there buying enough because it closed down. Okay, but definitely check out both of these style bags. I want to say that the Mercer bag has been discontinued, but don't quote me on that, girl. But definitely check out these. I'm pretty sure you can still find them being sold online, especially like eBay and places like that, because that is definitely where I found my cognac Mercer. When I'm looking away, it's on the very top shelf in this closet room, girl. But yeah, be sure to check out Michael Kors, as they have the most beautiful, affordable luxury goods. When I say affordable, they're usually like $500-600, and then you can always catch them on sale, in my opinion, making them the more affordable luxury. Now that's just my opinion, that's just me, but I absolutely love these bags. So definitely check them out. Let me know which one was your favorite. If you like both like me, let me know down below in that comments area. Okay, that is it for me. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, girl. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there will definitely be another video. Bye.